Hello guys, welcome back. There are so many little changes and little details that you can make to improve as a man. Whether it's changing the way you feel about yourself or taking the first steps towards pursuing a goal, every man should be constantly finding ways to grow. So today I want to go over some things that I personally think will help you become a better version of yourself and that you can really start today. First, start taking your life or your lifestyle seriously. As a man, you should have a certain image to uphold. You should also have character, reputation, performance to consider. You want to have productive and healthy relationships, a nice sex life, a good reputation, and to establish yourself as a man of integrity. You become this man through the lifestyle choices you make. You only have, or rather, you have 24 hours every day to become the best man you're capable of being. How are you using your time? What habits are you investing in? How much time are you wasting in stupid shit? Aren't there better choices to waste your time on? Go to the gym, read a book, work on your business. Do anything that will result in better habits, better performance, better outcomes. Second tip is the 5-hour rule. If you want to be a great man, you need to level up your body but also your mind. Some of the most respectful or more successful people in the world, like Bill Gates or Warren Buffett, utilize the 5-hour rule. This rule basically means that you spend 1 hour a day, 5 days a week in deliberate practice, leveling up your knowledge and practicing to get better or to mastering something. This could mean reading, studying, practicing a specific trade. Over time, this leads to personal mastery, which is a crucial element to success. In a couple months, only in a couple months, you could be decent at several skills if you apply this. Being a well-rounded man is essential in today's society. Number 3, start setting some goals for yourself and write them down. There are so many methods for goal setting. Just pick one and get started. Don't overcomplicate stuff and don't go crazy. Write down a few goals you'd like to accomplish in the next few months or years, and from there you just go with the flow and keep looking at those goals and do little changes here and there as you improve yourself. I have my goals list here, so I can look at it every day and as a reminder of the shit I have to accomplish in the future. Number 4, lift other people up. Contrary to popular belief, being a better man isn't always about focusing in what you're doing. It also involves helping others. One of the reasons I wanted to create this YouTube channel is that so we can grow together, learn with our mistakes, have a community of men that want to grow, want to improve, want to feel like they own their life. Number 5 and last one is get rid of your phone. The average person spends over 3 hours on their phone every fucking day. Far too many men in modern day society get sucked into their phones. They are scrolling social media, playing games on their way home, checking messages, swiping on Tinder or Bumble, whatever, and subsequently ignoring the real world and their lives. You want to level up as a man overnight? Ditch the phone, turn it off for an hour or two every day. Delete the apps that waste your time. Commit to do a detox day. Spend your whole day without phone. Try it. Become more self-aware and use your senses to engage with the real world instead. And that's it for today. If you follow some of these simple steps, you won't be a perfect man today, but you will be better than yesterday. Think about the long game and stop wasting your fucking time. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe and take care, gentlemen. See you.